Escape Studios is proud to announce its Maya Core course is now available online. Developed by industry experts, there are over 65 hours of interrelated videos leading you through the fundamentals of Maya. By following the same industry-proven structure used in our classrooms, we ensure a thorough understanding of essential principles and practices by breaking down each subject and tool used. The clear HD content and full screen option means you'll never miss any of the small details covered. Existing within a customizable interface, our learning system allows you to search, then drag and drop specific videos, building a learning experience that is suited to your own requirements. The Q&A system gives you the opportunity to field questions related to what you are watching, whilst also viewing other users' questions. Use it to sort out any issues, or simply as another resource of information. With each individual tutorial, we supply the scene files, textures, and any other resources essential to expanding your technical knowledge and also enhancing the experience. This invaluable resource will prove to be a must-have companion for all new users to Maya, and even those continuing their development. The Maya Core course is now available. Log in and get a taste of the rich material that is just a click away. Escape Studios, your route into the CG industry. The Maya Core is a bundle of 6 courses beginning with an introduction to Maya and critical workflow. This is then followed by a course in each key aspect of 3D animation. You'll begin with a course in Maya Fundamentals, an essential induction for those new or slightly new to Maya. This course is the prerequisite for all other Maya Core courses and covers the UI, the theory of 3D, along with a module in each main principle of Maya. By the end of the course, you will be well versed in best practices and have the confidence to tackle the latter, more in-depth courses. The next course, Introduction to Animation, will teach you a wide variety of rigging and animation techniques in Maya, including tools, commands, and concepts. Beginning with a look at animating, you'll cover keyframing, the timeline, animation curves, and also the graph editor. On top of this, we'll cover animation tools that can be used for modeling, deformations, and rigging. By the end of the module, you'll be able to rig using joints, IK handles, and also constraints. You'll then animate that rig, cycle the animation, compose the shot, and finally batch render the scene. The Introduction to NURBS Modeling course uses 3 projects to explain tools, techniques, and concepts of modeling with non-uniform rational B-splines. Each project introduces new tools and commands before finishing with a complex construction that combines everything learned previously, including making decisions over which tool is appropriate in which situation. By the end of the course, you will understand the sometimes complex discipline of NURBS modeling with essential knowledge to use curves and surfaces to their full potential. You will then explore the popular polygonal geometry and its varied applications. Taking off from where the introductory course left off, the Introduction to Polygonal Modeling, UV Mapping and Skinning course will introduce more efficient modeling techniques, workflow for organic and hard surfaces, UV mapping methods, and basic skinning for characters. Learning about polygonal head topology and edge flow by deconstructing an existing organized mesh, and hard surface modeling of a P-51 Mustang, the course will leave you fully versed in polygonal modeling, UV mapping, and skinning. The Introduction to Texturing course will teach you how to create shader networks in Maya, use textures to control material attributes, as well as how to create those textures in Photoshop. After mastering mapping textures in Maya, you will learn all about images and image manipulation in Photoshop, allowing you to create your own textures from photographic reference. After fully texturing and distressing the P-51 Mustang, you will fully understand shader networks for models and how textures can be created to control material attributes. You will then move on to lights and lighting techniques from an artistic and technical point of view, as well as looking at rendering options including ray tracing, physical-based renderers, and rendering effects. Exploring important aspects of CG, including reflections, refractions, depth of field, basic compositing, final gather, and photon mapping, By the end of the course, you will understand a wide variety of lighting and rendering techniques and where they will be applicable.